We're gonna need the canvas or paper, and then you put the stencil on top. As you can see guys, I was already doing some tests with the stencil to see how it's gonna look. But anyways, yeah, you're gonna need tape just to make sure the stencil doesn't move and that it's sitting tightly on the paper. And then yeah, we're using our sprays now, and we just spray on top of the stencil. You do that with all the colors. It's gonna depend on how you want it to look like. For me, I'm trying to give mine like that rainbowish look where the colors blend on the other colors. But yeah, you just spray into whatever design you like. You can add, as you can see, I'm sprinkling some white spray paint on top just to give those like star effect on top of my drawing, and then we wait for it to dry. Okay guys, so it has dried now and it's time to remove the masking tape. Yeah, so this is the exciting part for me, removing the masking tape, because I'm gonna be honest guys, I'm excited to see what this looks like, because I tried not doing a lot of drawings during the testing so I can see the final product and be as surprised as you guys. So yeah, I'm just excited to see what this looks like. And then you remove the stencil. Ooh, you see that? Oh, that's amazing. Ooh, I told you, you don't even have to put in an effort. You just have P&A. It's already made for you at P&A. And sometimes I like mine to have like a border, so as you can see I'm adding that frame, but you do whatever you like.